Imagine the frustration. You've got a thriving pop-up shop, or your local farmer's market is booming, and suddenly your point-of-sale system goes dark. Can you still make those sales? Well, if you're using Shopify POS, the answer might surprise you. Today, we're diving deep into the world of offline functionality and exploring whether you actually need internet to use Shopify POS. Now, Shopify POS is a fantastic tool for managing your in-person sales, seamlessly integrating with your online store. It streamlines transactions, keeps track of inventory, and provides valuable customer insights. But what happens when the Wi-Fi signal dips, or your cellular data decides to take a vacation? Fear not, fellow entrepreneurs. Shopify POS boasts a powerful offline mode that lets you keep the business flowing even when the internet sputters out. Here's the breakdown. Logging in and initial setup. Alright, so you unpack your shiny new Shopify POS system, eager to conquer the sales floor. The first hurdle, the internet. Yes, you'll need a connection to get things started. The app needs to sync your product information from your Shopify admin, download any necessary updates, and verify your login credentials. Think of it like this: you're setting the stage for your sales performance. This initial internet connection ensures everything is in order, your inventory is accurate, and you have access to all the product details your customers might need. Once you're in, but here's the beauty of Shopify POS. Once you're logged in and everything is synced, you can actually operate the system offline. That's right, say goodbye to internet anxiety. You can process sales, add items to your cart, calculate totals, and even print receipts locally. This offline functionality is a lifesaver for situations with unreliable internet connections, pop-up shops in remote locations, or even those dreaded Wi-Fi outages. Limitations in the offline zone. Now, while Shopify POS is a champion for offline sales, there are some limitations to keep in mind. Since the system isn't communicating with your online store, certain features become unavailable. For example, you won't be able to accept credit card payments. Transactions require online verification. Access live inventory updates, meaning you'll have to rely on your pre-synced data. Add new products to your system. Send email receipts, though you can still print them locally. The importance of syncing back up. Of course, the offline functionality is meant as a temporary solution. Once your internet connection returns, it's crucial to sync Shopify POS back up with your online store. This ensures all your offline sales data gets uploaded, your inventory reflects the actual stock levels, and any customer information is captured. Think of it like catching your breath after a whirlwind sales rush. The offline mode lets you keep the momentum going, but syncing back up is like taking stock and making sure everything is accounted for. Who benefits from Shopify POS offline mode? So, who's the ideal candidate for this offline functionality? Well, Shopify POS with offline capabilities is perfect for pop-up shops and outdoor markets. These temporary locations often have spotty internet connections, and Shopify POS ensures you don't miss a single sale. Retailers in remote areas. If your brick-and-mortar store struggles with consistent internet access, Shopify POS keeps you covered. Businesses at events and trade shows. Large gatherings can overload Wi-Fi networks, but Shopify POS lets you keep processing transactions. While internet is necessary for the initial setup and some features, Shopify POS empowers you to keep selling even when the internet connection falters. It's a reliable companion for businesses that need to adapt to ever-changing environments. So, the next time you're worried about a spotty internet connection derailing your sales, remember, Shopify POS has your back. With its powerful offline functionality, you can focus on what truly matters, making those sales and keeping your customers happy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.